Right circular cone of 4.1 centimeter high and radius of the base 2.1 centimeter. Another right circular cone is 4.3 centimeters high and radius is 2.1 centimeter. Both the cones are melted and recast into a sphere. Find the diameter of the sphere. Means what? The volume of these two are to be found. Add them and this volume of this sphere, equate them the formulas. Okay, let's start. What is volume of cone? 1 upon 3 pi r cube, pi r square h, right? So pi upon 3 into r square h. So pi upon 3 into first one is 2.1 square into 4.1. Second one is pi upon 3 into 2.1 square into 4.3. Add them. See here, pi upon 3 into 2.1 square is common. So 4.1 plus 4.3. Okay. So it becomes pi upon 3 into 2.1 square into 8.4. Now this is the volume of the two cones. Now volume of sphere is what? 4 upon 3 into pi r cube. Okay. Equate them. So 4 upon pi upon 3 into 4.41 into 8.4 equals to 4 upon 3 into pi r cube. We have to find the r and then the d. So just equate them, solve them. You will get r cube equals to 4.41 into 2.1. This 4 ones are for 2.1s are blah blah blah. You can do it yourself. Okay. So r cube equals to 2.1. But what is 4.41? That is 2.1 square. So 2.1 square and 2.1. So 2.1 cube. So r cube equals to 2.1 cube. R equals to 2.1. Diameter is 2 times radius. 2 into 2.1, 4.2 centimeter. That is the required answer. Next, a cylinder whose height is 2/3 of its diameter has the same volume as a